Join me as I get a head start on my ultimate dorm cleanout before my last day of freshman year. Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So as you'll see by the title, I'm doing an extreme last minute clean out. Y'all are packing with me. I have to pack up my whole entire room because my mom's coming tomorrow to bring stuff down, because next week I'm hitching a ride for my aunt because she's coming down. Y'all, I look crazy. I just got out the shower because I just went to the gym and stuff. Anyways, nevertheless. But I started packing. I packed my hair stuff, packed most of my clothes. All I have in here is just like the stuff that I'm gonna be wearing for the week. Y'all see this? Exactly. And then my desk over there, another story. But the closet, yeah, it look a little crazy. So I had to pack everything tonight, so I don't really have time. But get this, it's 12 right now, and I have class at 1. And then this is 3 hours long. It's from 1 to 4. And then at 5, I have a call. Y'all, I got all my clothes out the way. Like, that's the biggest thing. I mean, I have like a trash bag full of clothes that I need to wash, but I'm gonna just wash it. But anyway, I'm gonna get ready for class. See my hair. I need to take out my hair. I'm gonna take out my hair when I get back home, because all of the process of moving and stuff. I'll probably see y'all in class. I'll see y'all in class. Hey y'all, so it's 4:09. I'm outside. I'm on my porch right now because it's nice out here. And I just got out of class. We did one lecture, did a discussion, and then we watched the first 2 episodes of Innocence Files. If you haven't watched it, I recommend it. It's really good. I had to write down questions and like talking points, talking with someone about forensics and stuff, just to see if like I'm so interested or whatever. Goodbye. Sorry y'all, I literally zoned out. Okay y'all, so I had a very successful talk with the person that I spoke with. I took down some notes, and after I went to go to the dining hall to see what they had, no. For me, they have roasted mushrooms or roasted asparagus and lentil fritters. No. The stuff in the lentil fritters, no, looks dry, looks nasty. So I'm just gonna eat nothing. Here's my decorations. I have to take it down. Okay, y'all, so I clearly have a lot to pack. I'm not even gonna show you that. I'm about to just clean everything out, pack everything, and be ready. I'm about to just make a time lapse because I really just can't. I'll probably do a little check-ins here and there, but for the most part, I'm about to just get down because it's 6. Okay, hey y'all, it's 7:53 and here is the progress. So I'm putting everything that's done in here so it can be out the way. And here's what I have left. Yeah, it's not bad. And over here I have some like clothes. And then I have to take I'll be out of here. Hey y'all, it is May 2nd and this is day 2 of my extreme clean out. Y'all seen yesterday's clip. My mom's coming today to move my stuff out, and then I'm actually staying this weekend instead. I don't know if I said, but I thought I was leaving for the weekend so I could unpack and stuff, but actually I'm staying here. But I'm gonna just show y'all. I just finished cleaning and stuff. Why do I have a glare right here? Let's try to. Okay, I need to take down. I'm gonna take down the flag next week because I'm not moving my bag right now. These are my bags that I'm keeping. That's my bag where my laptop's gonna go. This is my school bag. Eventually it's gonna go in my suitcase, and then in between you can't really see it, but it's my makeup bag. Taking this. Here is just the stuff that I need for the following week. My purse. It's what I take in the morning to go to the gym. Here's my array of shoes. Here's my outfit for tonight because there's like a little rodeo thing. Here's the mirror. These are the dishes that I need to take downstairs and wash. It's not gonna happen today. Now the holy grail, my closet. All of my packed stuff. So this is where I put everything just so it can be out of the way. That's it. That is literally it. I'm just waiting for my mom to get here. She's gonna get here in like an hour. I might eventually end up in a bed over there because I'm tired. Oh yeah, if y'all need to watch my YouTube short because I literally got some good food. I really got some good food, like before, after, before. I just bought it today because I was like, I haven't been over there in a minute, and the food here is so gross. And dinner, last night I did not eat dinner. For dinner I had a little bit of dry cereal and Pocky sticks. I was like, oh, I can't. So I woke up this morning and I got food. Okay, it's 1:58. My mom's here. She is like 2 miles away from me. She here. Let's go let her in. I'm in there. Today's literally the last day that I'm on this campus, and I have a lot to do. I have class. I'm going to go work out. I have to go drop off some stuff to my friends because I borrowed a couple of other things and I have to go drop that off. Kind of surreal. Kind of still can't believe it. I don't think I'm going to believe it until I'm in the car tomorrow morning. I'm here and it's locked, so I'm going to find somebody else. Okay, y'all, here is my gym fitness center. I always say this is the gym, but here is, I'm just working on my legs, abs, gluteus maximus. Let's go. I finished working out and stuff. I got mac and cheese, vegetarian baked beans, and cornbread. They don't have anything green. They had carrots, but I don't really like eating carrots by itself. Like, it has to be with something because I'm not a big fan of carrots anymore like I used to be. I just finished watching Interstellar. I'm about to go to class. It's like 12:30. I'm about to leave like at 12:40. Wait, so now I'm just waiting for class. I'm gonna see y'all when, like after class, when I start packing and cleaning. So I finished running my first errand and dropping off the humidifier to one of my friends, and I'm eating dinner with her right now. But here's my dinner plate, and then here's and then here's okay, y'all, so I'm about to taste test everything and we're gonna see how it goes. That pizza though, it low-key looks good. Sure.